If you're trading on an exchange where the fee is higher than 0.1%, you're literally giving money away. Today, I'll show you the platform millions of traders are switching to in order to stop overpaying and explain how you can get up to $6,000 in bonuses when registering. OKX is one of those platforms I keep coming back to, and now I'll explain why. In this video, everything is straight. What's good, what's not perfect, and how exactly to use this exchange. If you're just stepping into crypto, don't worry. I'll explain every step so it's clear even without prior experience. You'll learn how to register and pass KYC in 5 minutes, how to deposit funds even if you don't yet own crypto, what spot and futures are and how they differ, how to earn passively through Earn and Jumpstart, and how to claim up to 6,000 USDT bonus when registering. Stay until the end. In the final block, I'll reveal a tool most reviews don't talk about. But first, what is OKX and why am I even talking about it? OKX was founded in 2017. Simply put, it's like Binance, but with some advantages I'll show you. Today, it's consistently in the top 3 exchanges worldwide by trading volume. Over 50 million users in 180 countries. But numbers are just numbers. What matters to me is different. First, fees. On most exchanges, you pay 0.2% per trade. On OKX, 0.1% or less. Seems small, but if you trade regularly, that's tens of dollars saved each month. Second, liquidity, in plain words. When you want to buy or sell, there's always someone on the other side. No delays, no bad rates. I've opened a large position, never had an issue. Third, transparency. OKX regularly publishes proof of reserves. Independent confirmation that your funds are really on the exchange, not just numbers on a screen. Plus, everything is in one place. No need for 3 different apps. Trading, passive income, DeFi, bots, all on one platform. Now let me show you how to create an account in 5 minutes and immediately activate your bonus. All right, let's get practical. Open the link under the video and follow along. That link already has a promo code activated, giving new users up to 6,000 USDT bonus. For registration, you'll need email or phone number, password, and code confirmation. Takes literally 2 minutes. The first thing I always do after logging in, 2-factor authentication. Go to Profile, Security, 2-factor authentication. Install Google Authenticator on your phone, scan the QR code, done. Now nobody can access your account without your phone. This isn't paranoia, it's basic hygiene. Without 2FA, your account is an open door for attackers. Next, verification or KYC. KYC means know your customer, a standard requirement for all regulated exchanges. Go to Profile, Verification. Choose your country, document type, passport or ID, upload photos, and take a selfie. The system checks automatically. Usually it takes from 5 minutes to an hour. Why bother? Without verification, withdrawal limits are very low. After KYC, everything opens up. Fiat deposits, Jumpstart, higher limit. So it's better to do it right away. Now, the account is ready. Next step, funding it. And here you've got several options, depending on what you already have. Funding your account. Method 1. If you already have crypto on another exchange or wallet, go to Assets, Deposit, choose the coin. For example, USDT. Select the network, TRC20, ERC20, or another. Important, the network you're sending from and the network you select on OKX must match. If you mix them up, the funds won't arrive and won't be returned. Always double check. Method 2, P2P. This is if you don't have crypto yet and want to buy with euro, dollars, or another currency directly from your card. Go to Buy Crypto, P2P. You'll see a list of sellers, real people offering crypto for fiat. You choose a seller, transfer money to their card, and they send you crypto. OKX acts as the guarantor that the deal goes through. Now the funds are on your account. And here comes the most interesting part, what to do with them. Let's start with the basics of trading. Trading, spot, and futures. On OKX, there are 2 main trading modes. Spot, for those who want to buy and hold. Futures, for those who want to profit both when the market rises and when it falls. Let's break down both. Spot, buy and hold. Go to trade, spot. This is the simplest type of trading. You just buy a coin with real money. Imagine this. You bought 1 Bitcoin at $60,000. A week later, it's worth $66,000. You sell, you've made $6,000. That's spot trading. Choose a trading pair. For example, BTC USDT. This means you're buying Bitcoin with USDT. 2 types of orders. Market order, buy instantly at the current price. Fast, but you don't control the price. Limit order, you set the price you want to buy at. The order executes when the market reaches that price. For beginners, I recommend starting with market orders. Simpler and easier to understand. Future. Profit both ways. Go to trade, future. Here it's more complex, but let me explain simply. On spot, you only profit when the price goes up. On futures, you can profit when it goes up and when it goes down. How does it work? You open a contract, an agreement on the price of an asset. You don't buy the coin itself, you bet on the direction of the price. Long, you bet the price will rise. If it rises, you profit. Short, you bet the price will fall. If it falls, you profit. Another feature of futures, leverage. This means you trade with more money than you actually have. Example, you have $100, use 10x leverage, you trade with 1,000. If the market moves 5% in your favor, you earn $50 instead of $5. But if the market moves against you, losses multiply too. That's why leverage is for those who understand the risk. For beginners, I recommend start with 2x, maximum 3x leverage. And always set a stop loss, automatic closure of the trade if the market moves against you by a set percentage. Without stop loss, futures turn into roulette. And one more thing, margin. 2 modes. Isolated, you allocate a specific amount for the trade and only risk that. If the trade closes negative, you lose no more than what you allocated. Best for beginners. Cross uses your entire account balance. More flexibility, but also more risk. If after all this you feel it's hard to figure out leverage, risks, and entry points on your own, that's normal. Futures require understanding, not intuition. That's why in our trading chat, the market is analyzed in real time, not just showing trades, but explaining the logic behind each decision, why they chose that leverage, where they set stop loss, what they saw on the chart before entering. You don't just watch, you start to understand how a trader thinks and how risks are managed. The link is in the description under the video. But what if you don't want to analyze the market yourself? For that, there's a tool that completely removes this question. Imagine, you simply connect to an experienced trader, and their trades are automatically copied to your account. That's exactly how copy trading works. Copy trading, trading without analysis. Go to trade, copy trading. You'll see a list of traders with open statistics. For each one you can see monthly ROI, return on investment, risk level, number of followers, and trade history. Choose a trader, click follow, enter the amount, and from then on, they trade while you just watch. All their trades are automatically executed on your account in proportional size. Important advice. Don't chase the trader with the highest ROI in the last month. Often that's just luck or high risk. Look for someone with steady profits over more than 6 months and small drawdowns. That shows they trade systematically, not by chance. You stay in full control. You can stop copying or close trades at any time. Trading bot, automated strategy. If you want more control, there are trading bots. These are automated strategies that trade for you based on preset rules. For example, a grid bot. You set a price range, say Bitcoin between $60,000 and $70,000. The bot automatically buys when the price drops and sells when it rises within that range. It profits from fluctuations. Or a DCA bot. It regularly buys a coin regardless of price, averaging your entry cost. A popular strategy for long-term accumulation. Bots on OKX run directly on the exchange. No need to install anything. There are ready-made templates from experienced traders. You can launch them in one click. But honestly, a bot is a tool, not magic. If you don't understand what's happening in the market, a bot won't save you. That's why I recommend first learning the basics. All right, trading is covered, but there's another way to earn on OKX, even without opening a single trade. If active trading isn't your thing, or you just want your money to work while you're busy, there's the Earn section. Earn money works on its own. Earn is like a bank deposit, only with much higher interest. You deposit coins, and they generate income automatically. Interest is credited daily. Two formats: flexible staking. Deposit USDT or Ethereum, earn interest daily, withdraw anytime. No restrictions. Perfect if you're not sure you won't need the funds. Fixed staking. Lock coins for a term, like 30 or 90 days, and earn a higher percentage. Best if you know you won't need those funds. There's also dual investment, a slightly more advanced tool. The idea, you lock in higher returns, but agree to receive payout in one of 2 coins, depending on market movement. For those who already have some understanding. Jumpstart, early access to new tokens. This is probably the most exciting tool for those who want more than just holding. Jumpstart gives you the chance to get new tokens before they hit the open market. Essentially, you enter at the start, when the price is at its lowest. How does it work? You stake USDT or OKB for a set period. In return, you receive new tokens proportional to your share. After listing, when the token goes public, it often trades much higher than the entry price. Nothing complicated. Go into Jumpstart, choose a project, stake, and the tokens arrive automatically. Before wrapping up, a few words about security. Because the question, can I trust this exchange with my money, is the most important one. OKX keeps most assets in so-called cold wallets, offline storage isolated from the internet, meaning even if a hacker breaches servers, they can't reach the core funds. Proof of reserves, regular independent audits publicly confirm for every dollar on the platform, there's a real dollar in reserve. Not just words, mathematical proof. Plus, two-factor authentication, data encryption, login alerts. This isn't market. It's the standard followed by the most reliable exchanges. Now about the bonus. If you register via the link in the description, you enter the bonus program of up to 6,000 USDT. The exact amount depends on your deposit and trading volume. You'll see the conditions on the registration page, but even a minimal deposit gives a nice start. And if you want to invite a friend, there's a referral program in the menu. Copy your link, send it to a friend, and you earn a percentage of their fees as long as they trade. All right, let's recap what you've learned today and what to do next. OKX isn't a perfect exchange. Perfect ones don't exist. But it's a platform that has everything you need. Low fees, real liquidity, a clear interface, and proven security. If you're a beginner, start small. Register, pass KYC, deposit a modest amount via P2P or the exchange service. Buy your first coin on spot. See how it works. Don't rush into futures with leverage. First get a feel for the platform. If you already have experience, there's plenty to explore here. Jumpstart, bots, copy trading, Web3 wallet, all in one place. If this video was useful, hit like. It's the simplest way to say thank you and help the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more honest reviews without gloss and without hidden ads. In our Telegram channel, daily live, market discussions, analysis, and answers to questions. If you have questions after this video, ask them there. Link is in the description. See you in the next video.